Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Nation_254. I've started the vlog like it's not this way. This is Nation_254 from this side of East Africa, Kenya. I'm here guys, and you know what guys, we have some things today to do, and as well I told you that I will have to finish up the veranda and everything, and that is nothing impossible guys, everything impossible, and we are here just working hard. We make sure that we have something for the day, and guys, I thank God for this far. We have come from far. That is the fact. Fact is fact that we have come from far, and we were just somewhere down there, and then now we have raised up like 30 minutes. We're here guys. I'm at Nyabohanse Center, and today I'm going to bring some materials for the house, like timbers, to add more iron sheets. I don't know how many iron sheets is inside the house, but I want to go and confirm. Then we have to buy nails, we have to buy timbers, we have to buy more iron sheets, because he told me you have to have 12 iron sheets. Yes, 12 iron sheets for the veranda, for the gathers and everything. So something I want to do now is that I want to deal first with the timbers, frames. Then after frame I go to the iron sheets, nails and everything, you know. He rated that down for me for the timbers. Yes, I have that quotation down. I have to use it for the chicken coop. My brother told me that, bro, allow me today to do this. At least for me, I will have some business. He will get a job to do there, and he's busy. Like he told me, let me help you for this. You know, he's my brother. So he told me, bro, go and check for the materials. Hold on, I will help you for finishing up the chicken coop. Guys, after this we are going there. We will see what he has done and everything. And this is the timber yet. Tunauza mbao, mabanzi na kuni. So guys, this is Swahili. This is Swahili. This is Swahili. I'm trying to read what you have written there. They are selling timbers and firewood also inside here. And this one, I don't know the name of this one. Mabanzi. Mabanzi in English, I don't know. Guys, tell us on comment section, but I know it's, I don't know. I don't know. I remember there is someone who told me in comment section the time I was building for the Royal Kim. So tunauza mbao, mabanzi na kuni. We are selling timbers and firewood, but mabanzi guys. Mabanzi. Okay, guys. So guys, I'm going with 3-2. 100 feet. Yeah, I don't forget. I remember what he told me. 3-2. Tafti zile zimenyooka kidogo. Zile zinafanana na 100 feet. Maanisha ni bao 10. Guys, tell us on comment section what is the name of this one. We know timbers are inside and frames, but what is the name of this one? This covers of whatever this one. Anyway, English is hard. English is hard, guys. I'm sorry, like I'm trying to. This is now the timber that we need. I want some straight timbers for the mason to do good work inside and everything. Yes guys, this is the timber yet, the big timber yet in Nyabohanse, whereby we are getting timbers. Very true. Very true. Long 12, yeah, Simba. Long 12 is telling me 12 feet. That is what we call long 12. Long 12 feet. So guys, on this side, this is Nation_254. And guys, let me catch up, finish up with the things, and I will check you out. So guys, from this side we are loading the timbers. This is the trip they are going on, and I mean guys, from this side now I'm heading to the hardware, buying some materials. Guys, I think this one is okay. It's okay. Ziko balance, ziko sawa. Guys, here we call it boda boda, and this is the name of the job. Is the name of the job. Like, you can tell me I'm a content creator, that is the job, and he's doing boda boda. So he's getting food from here, he's getting everything, shelter and everything from this side. This is the job that he's doing daily to get food, to get everything. We can't be the same, guys. God has given us different grace. I mean, I'm doing content, I will get something, they will get something. It will be good for everyone. So you can imagine someone is doing boda boda. He has a child, he or she in high school, and he's managing to pay the school fees, food, everything. Yeah. In the meantime, guys, this is nation_254. Let's go to the hardware, you know. So guys, on this side, I'm to the hardware inside. I mean, I have to add more timbers, and I mean, at timbers. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm confused. I'm sorry. I want to add some iron sheets, and what do we call it? Nails. Give me this one, 2 kgs. And then we'll add more iron sheets, like 2 to 3 iron sheets. And then this one also, this one also, this one also, this one also, 5 inches also. Yeah, so we start from here. 2 kgs.
Okay, this one is for 2 kg.
2 kgs. In the meantime, guys, this is nation_254. I'm road to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, very soon we are going to monetize my channel. Like, I've remained with few subscribers. Guys, if you're coming on my side or other side of any YouTuber and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so. Support me by subscribing, and I know we'll be somewhere good, somewhere amazing. This journey is not easy, guys. We have started very well. We are going very well. I really thank God for the far that we have reached, you know, guys. Yes, you know. Wow. We have come from far. So this is 2 kgs. And then give me this one. I don't remember how many kgs, but work at that.
3 kg.
3 kgs. No, tuanzie hapa. Tuanzie hapa. Pima kilo moja. Okay. Kilo moja. Don't nisisahau. Guys, I don't want to forget. Yeah. Kilo moja, 1 kg. Kilo moja, guys. Okay. And then another 1 kg. And then yeah, what's that? What is this? Anashanga. So guys, let's make some weight and then now we are starting from here. This is iron sheets. This is the timbers.
3 ilikuwa 2 kg, si ndio? Hii na hii ndio ilikuwa 1 mark.
So and then this is what we call wall pass. Wall pass. The wall and then pass. Wall pass. It's always building, for the building, even for the roof, to hold the frames so that to be strong. This is now wall pass. Wall pass. Yeah, I can show you when it's full. Wall pass is here. This is now wall pass. This is binding wires. Yeah, guys, we are going slowly. Thank you so much, guys. We're heading home now. Yes, let's go home. Okay. Guys, guys, I thank God because we are moving. This is the wire mesh. My brother told me today, bro, let me help you on this part to build up the chicken coop. We are going there. You will see the way it's having the new look. Very amazing, very mangani, very jolly, very fantastic. And yes, guys, from this side we are continuing just slowly. This is now the new look. The new look.
Let's pass with this.
The new look.
We use madumu, you know, we are wafupi, guys. Hey, thank you. This
guys, now this is the benefit of tall people. Yeah, they bring Sasa kitu mtafanya, naona hii hapa utaweka icheze hapa, isi overlap hivi, pigwa mawaya hivi tu, ipigwe twa hapa isonge. Ewe Prince, Mba Prince. This is the door. Someone can enter inside, do some cleanness inside here and everything. Wow. Do some cleanness, so chicks can't pass here. They will be having a door here. I think that is tomorrow. We'll have a door here, and yeah. Guys, how do you think about this? Is that right? I think it's right. It's right. It's good. It's a good idea. All the blood of Jesus. All the blood of Jesus. Guys, everything we are doing is not like we are doing because we can. It's by the grace of God and by the power of God. This is the way we have reached, guys, and we are continuing. And yeah, we are waiting for the mesh. Mesh is inside. Mesh wire. So I used to use that name because I don't know the difference between this one and the other one. They are wire mesh. Nani hizo wire unazipiga vibaya. When you are trying to pull it, you just hold. Not this. Okay. This way. No problem, but this way. See?
Okay. Just cock it first.
And cock.
No, just inside.
Okay. Hiru sukume huko.
Lakini bado kuna hii inchi.
You see now, mine is going inside.
Yes.
I mean, you go down.
No, you want to do this. And then you pin this part. Then we just. So let me continue.
So guys, this is the benefit of having tools. I mean, when you have tools, you are making work easier. For cutting, we have the, where is that one? What do we call it? Makasi. Where is makasi? Be careful. Yo, ona, kwa makini. Hiyo vitu sirushe tu hivi. Umiza mtu. Imenirukia hadi hapa kwa miguu. So guys, the benefit of having tools is this one now. You can cut. When you want to put on the other side, you can put. That is the benefit of having tools. You can do all the job that you want. Yeah. Guys, and today Prince will have a content of making wire mesh. He's there. Finishing up and everything. And yeah.
Loading magazine.
Amazing.
You know this one is it works like just a gun, tape gun.
Like it, guys. I like it. Very smart. Very smart. So guys, we'll have a door here. We'll have a door here down. A door here, the big one. See, it's so big. Someone can enter inside, do some cleanness and everything. And, wow, I like the job. I like the job. Nimeleta misumari inchi mbili, inchi moja.
Inchi moja ni truck. Inchi mbili itakuwa kubwa.
Ndaifuruta. Nataka amalize kwa
Nishamaliza.
Okay.
Okay.
I just want to start from.
So guys, in the meantime, this is Nation_254. And
You want to use it?
my mom, she's here. She's doing cleanness. Mom, say hi. My mom, she's here. She's doing some cleanness. This is the chicks. Another one there on the other side. And this is my compound. This is my traditional kitchen. This is my mom's house. It's not yet plastered inside. And guys, by the God grace, we will finish up with my mom so that the house will look like. I mean, I know my mom is feeling like it's not okay because I'm only doing my things inside, plastering, doing and everything. But my mom's house is that way. But by the God grace, we'll come and finish up everything. And everything will be fantastic. I have to put some gathers to collect the waters from here. Okay. All the blood of Jesus. All the blood of Jesus. Timbers is here, guys. Yeah, and finally. Wow. Wema Yesu. Haya imangu. Wema Yesu. Wema Wema Yesu, haya mango. Wema Yesu, ni mango. Wema Yesu, ya ni mango. God is good in my heart and also in my life. Man, this is God that is always fighting for me and everything. I really thank God, guys. I know even you feel to thank God more than me, but I feel to give thanks to God and everything for the grace and for the power. And also, guys, I know you're sitting there. God has given you good health, you know. For the million people, He has chosen you, one person, to have good health, to see this day today. It's not because we have done something good, because we are so good to God, but it's by the grace of God. I mean, guys, without forgetting you guys sitting down watching my videos like right now, I really give thanks to you. May God bless you. May God give you back. Yeah. For the new subscribers, this is National_254. This is my house. This is my mom's house. This is a traditional kitchen on this side. My sister is on this side. And yeah. This land is 60 by 8. I was imagining that the day my brother will build on the other side and then the one here, this land is finished kumalo. Which, okay guys, give me some minutes guys, I wanna go and I will show you the final touches for the chicken coop. I was preparing for the materials, is ready, nails, timbers, and everything is now ready. Now tomorrow the guy will come, we will start working and finish up everything. Kana wako uniguzele, akumba uniguzele, kana wako uniguzele, oh, akumba uniguzele, kana wako uniguzele, akumba uniguzele. So guys, we are in the final touches of the chicken coop. I mean, we are now talking about the doors and the other things, you know. Yeah, the wire mesh is now looking beautiful. This is the job of courtesy Why Not Prince and my brother here. They did something job. There is this wire mesh and then there is this big one. See? So there are two in one. This one and this one. Yeah. This is the door, another door, and then the big door for the up here, whereby someone can enter inside, add some food and everything. Yeah. Anyway. My brother very soon is going to build on this side a house. I mean, there is the bricks that he has put on the other side. Let me show you. There is this bricks here. I mean, he's going to build the house here. I'm following him. He's my big brother. So he's going to build this side. He told me he's going to build 2 rooms, a bedroom and sitting room. He has prepared for his bricks on this side, starting for the building this position, which means this position is going to be built there is house here. New look of a chicken coop. On the other side is looking very beautiful. The toilet is not yet finished up, guys, but we will work on it very soon. We need just iron sheets, door, you know. Yeah, manganyo, like a German machine. Guys, the job is amazing. Guys, the job is manganyo. It's looking crazy. Now this is the new look. This is the frames for the door. It will be the frames for the door, whereby we will have a door here, on the other side also door. Zitatosha kweli? Na tutatumia hii. Tutatumia hii.
Sir.
We'll use this one. He was telling me there is not enough, but this one is like a frame. We will use it. We are waiting. Guys, is only doors and everything on this side. Now we finish up. The new look. Wow, chicken coop is now looking beautiful. There is one frame here, and then another frame here. And guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mekwa smart sana. My brother is telling me he has looked so beautiful, so I'm trying to tell him it's so beautiful. Guys, how do you think? Tell us in the comment section. How is the manganyo? Manganyo, guys, so beautiful. And this is the benefit of borehole. We are getting water from inside. Although it's not yet clean, but we are just taking it. My mom is here, want to make some banana. Matoke. Guys, we call it matoke. Yeah. Want to make some banana here for lunch. Papi. Papi. Papi is here. Wow. What's me? It's Papi. Papi is very happy and feeling so good. It's growing, guys. It was small some days back. Right away, it's very beautiful. Wow. Nyama. Wow. In the meantime, guys, this is National_254. I really love you so much for the power, for the love and everything. And guys, guess what? We are moving. We are getting there slowly. Guys, tomorrow we are going to deal up with the veranda. I really thank God because we have the materials, everything. And I really thank God for the love and support, guys. In the meantime, this is the National_254. This is my first story house. And guys, I'm going to end this video here. If you have not subscribed, guys, kindly do so. Your subscription is going to be highly appreciated. I really love you so much, guys, for the support and love. See you for the next series. See you for the next video for the roof. Okay.